Hello everyone. On a Monday afternoon, we are taking a quick look back at our storm from the weekend, and you can see by the color that we were highlighted in, we picked up at least 2 inches of snow across our region, and you can see we were right in that middle swath that picked up a pretty decent amount of snow. Now, that was our last storm, and now we have to move on to another one. Wednesday's storm, actually moving in Tuesday night, will start out as a mix, and then we will change it over to some heavy rain as Wednesday rolls around. But here's a look at what's going to be going on, breaking down the timing. Tuesday evening, that we're talking about around maybe 9, 10, 11 o'clock Tuesday night, that's when the moisture looks to be moving in to start off. It looks like a little light snow will be moving on in Tuesday evening, rain down to the south. Overnight Tuesday, we will be, that's when things get a little interesting. That snow lifts and it will be mixing with some sleet and even some freezing rain, which could pose a problem. Now, in this case, the valley locations will hold the colder air, so it will be tough for the warmer air to scour it out, so we could have an extended period of some sleet and freezing rain before we change over to plain rain by daybreak on Wednesday. So this is not going to be a huge snowmaker, but it could cause some slick travel for Wednesday morning's commute. Now, snow totals, what are we talking about from this? Back to the north and west. Oh, wouldn't you love to be there? Places like Green Bay, you'll be seeing upwards of 12 to 18 inches of snow. But let's take a zoom on in. We here, it looks like for the Lehigh Valley areas, it's going to be around 1 inch, maybe 2 in Allentown. You get into the higher elevations of Lehigh Valley up towards Schnecksville, Slatington, Bath, Wind Gap. That's where you get close to that 2. And then in the Poconos, maybe about 3 or 4 inches of snow. Then you have to head toward the Pennsylvania-New York border to get into the higher mountains. So not a big snowmaker by any stretch. Then, all eyes on next weekend. We are watching next Saturday into Sunday very closely for another chance at seeing a snowmaker. But before we worry about this, let's worry about the Wednesday storm. But just be aware that next weekend we could be talking about more snow. For tonight, becoming partly cloudy, still a chill with lows in the 20s. For tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy, snow changing to a mix at night. Again, accumulating about 1 to 2 inches, 38 to 41 degrees. We switch that over to rain for Wednesday, and the wind picks up 45. Thursday, say hello to winter. The high 36, overnight 21. Friday, sunny and breezy. Ouch. 32 the high. The overnight low 18. Wow. And then Saturday, it will be cold enough for snow. Now we're just waiting and watching a possible storm. The high would be 33 and the overnight low 26. We'll continue to watch both of these next 2 storms very closely, so make sure you check back.